Mendel experiments and their objectives. He is the one, Gregor Johann Mendel. Okay, so Mendel was Mendel was trying to look for a law. Okay, so law that could be applicable, that could be used to heredity. So he wanted to find out the law which can be used for the heredity of at least contrasting characters. Contrasting characters means like same characters, na, comparing. Okay, so like contrasting characters, that means comparing two persons or two flowers. Now we take the two marigold flowers and we can say one marigold flower is yellow color, another marigold flower is in orange color. So this is the comparing, okay, both the things. So comparing characters like yellow and green seed coat color of pea seeds or white and purple color of pea flowers as observed by him. So he observed what are the things? Yellow and green seed coat color of pea seeds or white and purple color of pea flowers. Okay, so pea flowers is mutton flowers. Okay, so next one, he was also trying to look for a variations that comes from one generation to the next. Okay, so he observations we will study now. Okay, so pea plants were easy to control and observe. Why did he choose the pea plants? Means it is very easy to control and observe. Moreover, there were certain characters of plants, pea fam, that Mendel was already aware of. And also pea plants will grow very fast and easy to control and observe. And there are in the same pea plant, there are many varieties of flowers and that seeds. Okay, that is why he chose the pea plants. And here you can see 6 points are there. Because of this screen, the numbers have gone up, but we can see the every point. These are his observations from the pea plants. Okay, the first one. So the first one is what? Peas are annual plant. That means once in a year only we can get the matter. Yes, in the whole year, in all the seasons we don't get. That is why they call it as a annual plants. Okay, so the next one, their life cycle being small. Being small means they grow very fast. Generations of pea plants may be observed and studied easily and can study very easily. Okay, and now we take the second one. Okay, second one, pea flowers are usually self-pollinated. Self-pollinated means what? You know about the pollination. Okay, so self-pollinated means the flower, okay, so without help of the bees or insects or without help of the other flowers, it can reproduce. Okay, pollination. Self-pollinated, where pollination is completed in the bud stage due to the presence of a protective crown over reproductive parts. This also helps to maintain characters of pea plants pure across several generations. Okay, so I will post a video about the self-pollination and cross-pollination to make you to understand more. So pea plants are what? Self-pollination. Where the self-pollination will take place? When they are bisexual. Bisexual means having both male and female flower on the same plant. Okay, if the same flower has the female and male parts, it is called as a bisexual. Here in the same flower. So in this only self-pollination will take place. Okay, cross-pollination will take place where? When one plant has the female parts and another plant has the. We study cross-pollination is. Cross-pollination can thus be done artificially. Since natural pea plants has only the self-pollination. Self means oneself, within oneself. Within one plant it takes place. But cross-pollination is done artificially and acquire expected results as there is little chance of other pollen grains reaching the flower. Thus, expected crosses or hybrids of pea plants can be obtained easily. So, hybrid plants are artificially prepared. Okay, so that means cross-pollination. So, what Mendel did is, from the plant he removed the male parts. Male parts means what? Boy. Female means girl. Male parts he removed. In the plant, male part name is what? Stamen. he removed the stamen. That stamen he attached to the, from another plant he removed the female part, that is ovary, and he joined both together, and then he got now the new plant. So cross pollination takes place from between two plants of the flowers. Self pollination will take place within one flower, okay, where the female and male parts are present. So next one, but he made the cross pollination in the pea plants artificially, though only the self pollination takes place in the pea plants. The plants are bisexual, having both male and female flower on the same plant, same flower. So pea plants are the bisexual and self pollination takes place naturally. If the male sexual part of stamens are removed, then the plant behaves as a unisexual one. Unisexual means, uni means single, bi means two. If from the plant, if they remove the stamen, that means male parts, now the plant will become what? Unisexual. That means only the female parts it is having. Okay, so the next one, hybrids formed are fertile and not sterile as found in most cases. Mostly sterile means cannot produce again. If the seeds put also, it will not grow new plants. Fertile means the seeds can give the new plants. More hybrids are sterile, not fertile. Okay, so and not sterile is as found in most cases. So what he did artificially, he made the hybrids. Okay, so what he made, these hybrids are fertile but not sterile. Okay, so fertile means from these seeds new plants can come. Sterile means cannot reproduce. Reproduce means reproducing again the new plant, okay, or the new flowers, the new fruits. So peas have varieties that show clear contrasting characters. Contrasting characters means comparing characters. Thank you.